everyone, how are you all? I'm Suksham and you are watching your channel My Professor Fun Learning. So now what is the topic? Before I will disclose you, let's start with the story. Okay? You want to listen the story? Yes? Okay, shall I start now? Fine. So there was one frog. He decided to reach the top of the tree. All frogs shouted, "It's impossible, it's impossible." But still the frog reaches the top. How? How? Because he was deaf. And he thought everyone was encouraging him. They are encouraging, yes, you can do this, you can do this. So he thought that all are shouting because of me. They want me to reach to the top of the tree. So what we have to do? We have to be deaf to our negative thoughts. Not ours, but others also. If we want to aim, if our aim is high, if we want to reach the goal, so we have to do work hard. Yes. So our today's video is based on this story, that how to set and how to achieve our goals in our lives. Every day we are planning, like I will say, okay, I will study every single day, or I will submit all my assignments on time, or I will go to the gym every day. But the enthusiasm will be low day by day. Then what will happen? Whatever our enthusiasm, what are our plannings, after few days, eventually we end up procrastinating, and the pile of failed goals keeps rising and rising. But why? Why? We were planning and we were going also, but suddenly what happened? No enthusiasm. So it does not end up properly. So what we have to do? Breathe in and breathe out, and let's get going. But before we will start our video, what you have to do? Yes, you have also set a goal. So what is your goal? What do you have to do? You have to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's start. Dream box. What is dream box? Don't worry, I will not ask you to leave all your important tasks and go to sleep. No. Like dream box, like you have to think about your dreams. Okay, we have to, like, we all are having so many dreams. So what you have to do? Think of 5 dreams you wish to achieve and write down all of them. And your dream should be more realistic. Next, failure filter. What is failure filter? Think of one dream at a time. What will happen if you will fail to achieve that dream? Just imagine the feeling. So we have to try and figure out the reason of failure. Fan following. Now what is fan following? I'm not a superstar, like what? So what do you mean by fan following? So always remember all those things, okay? Or you can write down that you are applauded for or you are praised for. Write down your 10 skills at least that people are appreciating for you. That it can be your cooking, it can be a dancing, it can be your doing workout hard, anything else. Building the bridge. Now what is building the bridge? It is a very easiest step. Suppose you want to achieve your dream but somehow not able to do that, then what will happen? What you will do? So you want to pursue that dream, yes, that I want to do that. After this dream I just want to go there. If this problem is coming in between, I will fill that gap. Next, sometimes Tom and Jerry effect is also there. What is Tom and Jerry effect? I'm not talking about the cartoon Tom and Jerry. It means that there are sometimes we are having in our mind so many things are going on. There are more than 1 or 2 goals will be there at the same time. Suppose at the same time I want to be selected in my football team, okay, and at the same time exams are coming and I want to achieve 95% in my exams. So if you want selection in the team, it also needs time, and if you want to get 95%, the dedication, the timings, the attention should be there. So how it can be possible at the same time? So what we have to do, we can postpone one of the goal, or you can, I'm not saying eliminate, you can postpone. It depends on your priority, that what is important, what is the demand of that time. So once you will achieve one goal, next after achieving you can just set for another. Then reward yourself. Reward yourself means what kills the motivation to achieve your goals is the lack of encouragement. So break your goals into small milestones and reward yourself while completing each milestone. Then what will happen when you will reward yourself? It will give you motivation. It will encourage you, yes, that I have achieved this, now let's move towards to get the another dream, to get the another goal, to achieve the another goal. So it will help you a lot. Okay, so now this is the time for bonus tip. What is the bonus tip in this video? Secret recipe. So the bonus tip is for today's video is how to train your brain. What you can do, so read every day. Okay, get out of your comfort zone. Write down your goals, your dreams you want to achieve. Exercise, meditate, and solve puzzles. All these things are very important for your brain to train. Okay, and get healthy diet. So happy watching. Take care. Bye bye. And comment below that how's this video, and might be all the videos are helping you out also. So we'll meet again. Bye bye.